Greetings everyone, thank you for dropping by my channel today. I was out here for a little walkabout today and come across a few non-edible items that I would like to share with you. So let's get to it. First we have the yellow or golden crown beard. This one doesn't have blooms on it as of yet, but it's getting ready to bloom. It produces yellow daisy-like flowers. Nothing about this plant is edible for animals or humans. But while I was walking, I also come across some partridge peas. Very pretty. Both of these plants make very good pollinators, but both of these plants are also toxic. They are both non-edible. I also come across a couple of caterpillars, Gulf fritillary caterpillars, black and orange with spikes. Very, very cool. Make beautiful butterflies. One more thing that I would like to share with you is sneezeweed. So let's walk right over here so I can show you what sneezeweed looks like. Apparently this video today are on items that are non-edible. So, this is sneezeweed. Sneezeweed is also a good pollinator, but toxic for humans and livestock. Non-edible. All three of these plants are great pollinators, but non-edible. So, thank you for stopping by my channel today. Please like and subscribe, or like and follow, and have a wonderful day.